all, welcome to Swadhyay. Let's learn. Science quiz. Complete the quiz and check your knowledge. There are 2 levels with 15 questions in each level. You will be given 10 seconds for each question. Check how many you can answer correctly. Share your score with us. Level 1. Which of the following is not a function of a root? Answer A. Photosynthesis. Which of the following covers most of the Earth's surface? Answer C. Water. Potato is which part of the plant? Answer C. Stem. Which of the following is the correct life cycle of a butterfly? Answer B. Egg, larva, pupa, adult. Insects like butterfly, mosquito, moth undergo these 4 stages in their life cycle. What is the national game of India? Answer D. Hockey. Force can cause objects to All the answers are correct. Force can cause objects to stop, move, change shape, change direction. These have hard woody stems. Answer D. Trees. Which of the following is viviparous? Answer D. Deer. Day and night on Earth are due to Answer C. Rotation of Earth. Which gas is released by plants in the process of photosynthesis? Answer C. Oxygen. Which of these is not a predator? Answer B. Monkey. Which of the following is a health professional who specializes in the use of medicine? Answer B. Pharmacist. A house made of snow is called Answer D. Igloo. True or false? Rayon and nylon are natural fibers. Answer false. Organisms which depend on plants for food are called Answer C. Herbivores. Congratulations, it was a good try. Level 1 completed. Let's move on to level 2. The process by which plants get rid of excess water is called Answer D. Transpiration. As much as 99.5% of water absorbed by the roots of a plant is not used for the growth or metabolism. It is excess water and it leaves the plant through transpiration. Webbed toes in birds help Answer C. Swim in water. Ducks, geese, swans, and aquatic birds like flamingos have webbed toes. Which of the following is not a reptile? Answer B. Cockroach. My feathers are green, my beak is red, guava and red chili I am fed. I love to imitate people's voice and keep making a lot of noise. Who am I? Answer D. Parrot. Which of the following is not a fruit? Answer D. Broccoli. If you mix yellow and blue, you get this color. Answer A. Green. Which one is the national tree of India? Answer B. Banyan. The term butterfly stroke is referred to in which sport? Answer B. Swimming. Which of these are nocturnal animals? Bat, cricket, firefly and cockroach all are nocturnal animals. Nocturnal animals are animals that are active mainly during the night. They hunt or feed during the night and sleep during the day. Our solar system is a part of this galaxy. Answer C. Milky Way galaxy. Which of these animals provide fiber? Answer all the above. Camel, rabbit and sheep, all of them provide fiber. Although made of wheat, bread is not a staple food. Why? Answer B and C. It is a manufactured food. It cannot be stored throughout the year. True or false? Sound can travel through solids much faster than through gas. Answer: true. Animals which feed on dead or decaying material are called? Answer: C. Scavengers. Which of the following spices is derived from the bark of a tree? Answer: cinnamon. Congratulations, it was a very good try. You have completed both levels. Play more quizzes with us, challenge your friends, enjoy and learn with us. If you like this video, please subscribe, like and share Swadhyay. Let's learn. If you feel this quiz was easy, go on to solve more quizzes. Press the bell icon and get notified about the latest quizzes. Every quiz is tougher than the previous one and brings new content for you to learn. Thank you.